Now, let's take a look at pattern along curve. So go ahead and draw this sketch. Now, once you have your sketch done, come up here to symmetric offset. And the width I'm going to put in at 30, so 30 tab. The only other thing I'm really worried about is just offset arc. I'll just turn that on. So with those two defaults, that should be good enough. I'll hit OK, and I'll come down and identify the lines. And I have chain on, so with chain it just identifies the whole thing, except. Now I'll come up to select, identify the region, and extrude that down, say 5. Circle command, and just on the end of this I'll lock right here on that face, and I'll place a circle here at 10. 1, 0. Grab that region and push that through. Now I'll come over to my cutout, that first hole, then come up to the pull down under pattern, along curve. So I'll come down and identify the curve. And I could put this on chain, but with 3 it's just as quick to identify the 3. I'll accept and accept. And then it's asking, click on the anchor point. And the anchor point is usually right back at the first hole. So at the center of that hole, I'm going to click there for the anchor point. And I'd like to go along the line, so I'll accept that. And I've got a count of 4 right now. I say, well, I actually wanted a lot more along there than that. And so I could come back to the original cutout. The first thing I might want to do is add a dimension to that cutout, and then change that to 20. Now I'll come over to the pattern command and identify the pattern and change the number from 4 to 12.